So hi everyone. At this question, first of all, read the question carefully. The relationship between the magnetic susceptibility and the magnetic permeability is given by. So, magnetic susceptibility and magnetic permeability, you know the relation UR is equal to 1 plus chi. Okay. And what is mu r? UR is U by U naught. When you put that is 1 plus chi, so chi will be what? Or susceptibility will be what? By mu naught minus charge. So which option is correct? Option. I hope this doubt is clear. Thank you so much.